I'm Matt Bouchard in San Francisco for NAREIT's REIT World, our 2018 annual conference. Joining me today is Bill Bayless, CEO of American Campus Communities. Bill, thanks so much for joining us.
Good morning, Matt.
Now, can you start by talking about how new supply is looking in ACC's core markets, and if there's any markets where that supply-demand balance is becoming a concern?
Yeah. Overall supply demographics are working in our favor this year. New supply coming in next fall is up 28,000 from 26,000. However, it's spread over 34 markets, where last year it was over 27. And so a little less concentration per market. The only market we're a little concerned about and we're watching closely is Florida State University in Tallahassee, where we have a second year of large supply coming in, about 2,168 new beds. So we're watching that one closely.
And how has the surge in private investor interest in the student housing space impacted your strategy and the competition you're seeing for projects or acquisitions?
And the influx of capital has actually been an incredibly positive thing for the space, and it's really helped the maturation of cap rates. So, last year we saw trades in the 4 to low 4s. That's given our cost capital, putting us out of the acquisitions game on the short term. However, it's been very beneficial for us, as we still have a large development pipeline with yields of 6.25 to 6.75, and we're able to recycle assets into that pretty active market at those lower cap rates. It allows us to have about 200 basis points of accretive spread from what we're able to dispose of now to what we can reinvest in development.
And lastly, are you seeing any movement towards more universities changing or implementing on-campus housing requirements for their students?
Yeah, not a lot, but when we do see that, we actually like that. We don't view that negatively from two fronts. One, a lot of our new developments are on the American Campus Equity Program, where we're actually owning on-campus housing. And so when we're developing on campus and they implement that housing requirement, we benefit from that. But however, even when we're off campus, across the street from the university, the student who is most likely to live in an American campus community is the student who started their first year on campus. Mom and dad and the students saw the benefit of that academically oriented environment, and then we're the off-campus alternative that has that same management philosophy and academic orientation. And so the larger that base is of students that are living on campus, the larger base it is to us from draw from. So we don't view it as a negative at all.
Bill, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt. Pleasure.
For more from REIT World 2018, be sure to visit NAREIT's website, REIT.com.